Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. Today we are focusing on a critical but often complex topic, the post-market surveillance requirements for medical devices in Qatar. As Qatar's healthcare sector rapidly expands, understanding the nuances of its regulatory landscape, managed by the Ministry of Public Health or MOPH, is essential for market success. Post-market surveillance in Qatar is not just a final checkbox. It is an active, ongoing process designed to ensure the continued safety and performance of a device after it enters the market. The cornerstone of Qatar's PMS system is vigilance and adverse event reporting. Manufacturers are mandated to report any serious incidents involving their devices to the MOPH. A serious incident is typically defined as an event that led to, or could have led to, the death of a patient, user, or other person, or to a serious deterioration in their state of health. The reporting timelines are strict. For serious public health threats, an initial report is often expected within 48 hours. For other serious incidents, the deadline is typically around 10 to 15 days. Failure to comply can result in significant penalties, including device recalls and market access withdrawal. Let's consider a real-world scenario. A European company launched a Class 2B infusion pump in Qatar. Post-launch, they received reports from a hospital in Doha that the pump's alarm system occasionally failed to trigger during occlusions. This constitutes a serious incident. The manufacturer, through its local authorized representative in Qatar, had to immediately submit an initial incident report to the MOPH. They then conducted a root cause analysis and determined a software patch was needed. This triggered a Field Safety Corrective Action, or FSCA. The company had to draft a Field Safety Notice, or FSN, detailing the issue, the risk to patients, and the corrective action. This notice had to be submitted to the MOPH for review before being distributed to all affected hospitals and users in Qatar. The entire process required precise documentation and constant communication with the local representative and the regulatory authority. Beyond incident reporting, manufacturers must also proactively collect data. This includes monitoring customer complaints, service reports, and literature reviews for any new information about the device's performance and safety. While Qatar's guidelines are developing, they often align with frameworks like the EU's MDR. This means that maintaining a comprehensive PMS plan, a post-market clinical follow-up, or PMCF plan, and preparing periodic safety update reports, or PSURs, is becoming best practice. These documents demonstrate a proactive approach to safety and are increasingly expected by the MOPH. Navigating these requirements demands local expertise to manage submissions and communications effectively. For any medtech companies looking to enter or thrive in the Qatari market, establishing a robust post-market surveillance system is non-negotiable. If you need guidance on navigating these complex regulatory pathways, feel free to email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at pureglobal.com.